Hello, and welcome to my channel. This is 𝘗𝘰𝘬𝘬𝘬𝘬𝘬 in the building, and I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Listen, if you're looking to live a better life, or you know someone looking to live a better life? Well, my YouTube channel is dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom and live a healthy, happier lifestyle. I deliver high quality content on the best beauty, the best health and wellness products that not only improve your quality of life, but also help you increase your income. So my videos are going to be covered around a wide range of topics, from practical tips on personal finance and investing in the best companies and legitimate companies, that is, to expert advice on hair care, skincare, and nutrition. So I'm going to provide some actionable advice on how to make the most of your money and how to build a successful career. So I want you to create a sustainable and fulfilling lifestyle, which is as we are trying to do as well. Now, our team of experts will include some financial advisors, beauty and wellness gurus, and health and fitness professionals. They actually share their knowledge and expertise with you, and we share it with you, okay? Because we do believe that living well should not come at the cost of financial stability, and this channel is designed to help you achieve both of those, okay? So you're very welcome to join me in this community of like-minded individuals who all are committed to living a better life. I also want you to subscribe to this channel today and start your journey towards financial freedom, a healthier, happier, and productive lifestyle, okay? Now, I'm doing this video today because I got another package. Yes, how many of you know I've been talking about drop shipping lately and how you can conveniently go online, shop for products that you love or that you would just simply like to try. We have access to many brands that are available, and this actually came kind of quicker than I thought. So we're just gonna open this up. It's just a little small box here. I had in a previous video I did on the Hawaiian Silky brand, someone had sent me an inbox asking for an update and asked me would I do more unboxing. So I did say yes, so that is why I do this. A lot of people love unboxing videos. Hopefully I can get you guys some unboxing videos that has a lot of product in it. But right now we're just doing these as we go. Hope you guys I hope you really had a good weekend. Hope you had a safe or relaxing weekend. All right, so I got the tape off finally. Seems pretty light. I actually don't even remember what could possibly be in here. But I think I have a general idea because I have been promoting on Instagram the B2B freeze spray. So I'm guessing this might be it. So let's take a look inside. So they pre-packed it with this paper. Oh, okay. That's it, y'all. That's it, folks. It's actually small, too. Okay, I got some scissors in here. It's really pretty taped up. I hope you can hear me. I am really, truly trying to figure out which mic works best for my videos, because I really want you to hear me clearly. I just got my nails done and I don't want to mess them up too bad. Looks like it's not as completely dry as I thought. What the heck? Wait. Yo. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at this, baby. This is the Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. Come on now, did they send me a sample? I had no idea that it was this little. OMG, this is a baby. Please leave me a comment. Have you used this before? Who's used this? Please let me know. I could have sworn the can was a lot bigger than this. I might have ordered the wrong one. I'm not sure. It says for blasting hold, y'all. I mean, like, what is this? Okay. I was not expecting this itty bitty can of What is this? Freeze spray? Okay. All right, y'all. So this got me for real. Like I know it does come in 2 different sizes. I may have accidentally picked the wrong one in a hurry. I do remember now I was out and about downtown when I actually ordered this on my phone. And I had no idea it was this itty bitty baby size. I'm kind of disappointed because in my mind I was expecting a real big, huge can of this. But it says it's only 2 ounces. I did notice there was 2 different sizes to choose from. So maybe I picked the wrong size. I don't know if this is a sample. Maybe they made a mistake. I will be going back to that website to check out. I'm gonna have to go back on there and see what the sizes are again. It might have been my mistake. But anyways, this is what came in the box, y'all. This one little itsy bitsy baby can of 𝘂𝘬𝘬. Now I ordered the 𝘂𝘬𝘬 because it's a very popular product, I hear, for doing things like sleek ponytails, just keeping your, they say men use this for spiking their hair and stuff, as a finishing spray, as a holding spray. I've never ever used this brand at all, so please let me know if you know anything about this. I've seen hairstylists use this, but I'm starting to think this is the wrong stuff. They had another freezing spray on there. I'm serious. I'm really kind of disappointed in this. I'm gonna have to call the customer service and see what is going on. Like, did I order the wrong product? Because I was absolutely not expecting this size. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this, just use it, just to see what it do. To see if this is the right stuff. Please let me know if this is the product that you can use to, you know, the same as edge control gel, or the gels that people use to slick their hair, just to, you know, lay your edges down. I'm not for sure. I've seen hairstylists using a can that looked similar like this, but it was a lot bigger. So I'm not for sure. But okay, so there you have it. My beauty site is shipping products. At least we know that they are legitimately shipping products. It was very fast. I was not expecting it to come to school. Actually, I didn't even get my tracking number yet, unless it went to my spam folder by chance, because usually when they're about to ship it, they'll send you the tracking number so you can keep track, but it actually got here pretty quick. So that's a plus. All right, move along. I'm gonna try this. I guess I'm gonna, you know, since I've never used 𝘂𝘬𝘬, I guess I'll keep it. I'm gonna go on the website first and make sure this is the right size before I open it. And if it is, I'm just gonna go ahead and use it and just do a review on what I think of this stuff. But please let me know if this is the right product that you use for sleek ponytails and different hairstyles that give you that long-lasting shine and hold that lasts until you shampoo it again, which is what this brand promotes. I've seen celebrity stylists use this as well on rappers like Nicki Minaj and other reality TV actresses. So, oh well. I'll give y'all an update. If I do decide to keep this, I will give you an update on what I think about this product in my next video. So, moving along. Okay, so let's move on to Kaleidoscope. So I have the shampoo and the conditioner here. I don't know if you watched my previous video when I received this through the mail as well. For the first time I tried this, I did a video talking about this product and how you really don't see this on the shelves in stores like Sally's. You can go in various beauty supply stores and they'll rarely carry this product. Like, you'll see certain, you know, the oil, the growth oil is usually available. And there's another product that always seems to be available, but not stuff like this. So I will say this is my review for the Kaleidoscope Detox Shampoo and Conditioner. Now, this will have been my 4th time, I believe. Yeah. I think this is my 4th week using both of these products, and I will say, will I buy this stuff again? Yes, I will definitely buy this product again if I run out. God forbid I ever do, because this stuff is, I really like this shampoo and conditioner. I will say the shampoo I talked about how it has a jelly-like texture, and it actually literally does. It's a light blue color. It's clear. It is very jelly-like to the touch. It feels really good when you put it in your hands. It smells amazing, very refreshing. So like when the first time I tried it, I will not lie, like as I was working it in and massaging it into my scalp, I found myself oohing and ahhing out of nowhere, like unintentionally going, oh, you know, just automatically just made me feel really good. Like my scalp, you could actually feel the cooling effect on your scalp. It felt really good. Like I said, the smell though, it's like mesmerizing. It like relaxes you, kind of, so to speak. Like I really felt really relaxed. I felt calm. I felt like my senses were, you know, wide. They were open. You know, I could smell it. It fumigated my kitchen. It made my house smell really good, and I don't know, I just like how it felt on my head, on my scalp as I was massaging it in. It just felt like a tingle. It had like a tingle, and it was like, I don't know, I just kept going, I just kept on saying that. I remember I'm like, I caught myself literally like, wow, am I really oohing and ahhing about shampoo? No other shampoo I've had, I don't recall has ever made me feel like that. Like, yeah, you can feel it working, and it instantly softened my hair. Like it doesn't feel really dry and harsh like some shampoos. When you shampoo it, it's almost like your fingers cannot wait to follow up with the conditioners to make it soften up to where, you know, it feels more soft to the touch. I did not experience that at all with this shampoo. It instantly feels amazing. It feels really soft, very conditioning. Yeah, and it made my hair feel squeaky clean. Like it literally felt clean. When I rinsed it out, it did not feel harsh. It did not feel dry at all. It felt like I almost already had conditioner in it. So I will say this is a big thumbs up. I will definitely purchase this product again. Most clarifying shampoos make your hair literally feel stripped. Like you've got to put a whole bunch of more stuff in it just to bring that moisture back. I didn't feel like that at all with this product. It's a very good cleanser. It didn't feel like my hair was stripped, but it felt super duper clean, and I really like that part of it. And the cool stimulating effect that it has is very, very noticeable. It felt like my scalp was opened up, like it could breathe. It was just good. It just felt good. So I love the texture of it too, and a little goes a long way. Like even if you have a heavy buildup in your hair, I think I only used about 2 scoops of this. It worked up a really good lather very quickly. All right, so moving on to the conditioner. Now, once I applied this conditioner, my hair felt like cotton. Literally felt really, really soft. The smell is amazing. It just felt really minty. I felt like my hair felt revitalized. Super soft and very easy to manage. It did not take as long as it normally does for me to blow dry my hair. With this, it seemed like it was a lot quicker. Everything went quicker. I did instantly notice there was no shedding. My hair kind of sheds because I have color in it when I'm drying it, because I like to wear my hair straight. And oh yeah, and I noticed when I put this in, my natural curl came out instant. Like it brings out your natural curl real good. I mean, my hair was just super curly, super soft. I mean, I could just take a comb straight through it with no problem. You know, when your hair is wet, sometimes it can tangle. Sometimes you have to rake through it and stuff. But I did not experience that at all. It just felt really soft. And when I blow dried it, there was like about 4 to 5 hairs laying on my sink. A normal amount of shedding is about 50 to 100 hairs. If your hair sheds that much, that is normal. Okay, anything like blobs and stuff like that, honey, you need to go get checked. Something's going on. But I didn't even have 50 to 100 hairs this time. It was only like just a few sprinkles of hair after I dried it with a blow dryer. And that is amazing, because I guess the products I was using before was causing more shedding, because, you know, I pay homage to the maximum moisture in this product. Sometimes shampooing your hair and blow drying can be a very drying experience for your hair shaft. in your follicles. So I give this 2 big thumbs up, and I would definitely repurchase this product again. It was definitely worth it. And for $7.95 for the product, including shipping, you cannot beat that. I mean, under 20 bucks for some great clarifying shampoo and conditioner. You cannot beat that. I am very well pleased with my purchase. I've used it about 4 times, and I would say it's wonderful. Very very moisturizing, so I can imagine, and my scalp felt really, really clean. So I can just imagine with continuous use with this product. I got a hair on my eyelash. I can just imagine with continuous use of this product what your hair will do within 6 months. Okay, but like I said, it's been under a month, and I've used this, and I am very well pleased with my results. So shout out to Judy and your manufacturer or whoever helped you with this product. Girl, you did that. This is a good thing. I will definitely keep using it. So you guys better get into it. Check out this product, y'all. It's definitely worth it, especially if you are somebody who experiences dry or unmanageable hair. Not everybody's hair reacts the same to products, so if it doesn't work for you, hey, that's just the way it is. You got to keep going, trying to find those products that works for you. All right, so this works for me. This is all I have. Let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have a specific brand that you would be interested in knowing more about, or that you want to me to review, please let me know. Stay tuned for my next video, because next I'll be doing another review on the Kaleidoscope brand, on their hair gel and their leave-in conditioner. All right, so thank you for watching this video in its entirety. Till next time, stay safe out there, and please, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Have a great rest of your weekend. Stay safe, and bye for now.